In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use T-SQL to get the latest file in a directory. So to achieve this, we're going to be using a combination of T-SQL and PowerShell. So first, you want to enable the command shell by using this command here, alright? And then here we are simply building the PowerShell that will get the latest file in the directory. So this is the directory that I want to get the latest file from, right? Here we are sorting object by the last write time in descending order. And we are selecting the first object, right, by the property name. Now here we are just creating a temporary table. Here we're just creating a temporary table to store the information returned by this PowerShell command. So here we are basically executing the XP command shell store procedure to execute the PowerShell query, which will then return the result and store it in this table. So let's execute all of this. This is the last file that is in the directory. Now let's go to the directory to validate that. And this is the last file that was written to the directory. So this was November 11, 937. This was the last file that was written. And this was sorted by date modified. So you can use that to confirm as well. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.